Hello, good morning, my dear students. How are you? I think all of you are fine. All of you are staying home and staying safe. Uh, we are actually very anxious about your future. We are very anxious about your study because your study is being hampered greatly due to COVID-19. So that's why our school authority has arranged online class so that we can minimize your class to some extent. So that's why we have arranged online class. We have had a lots of class a few days ago. I think you have enjoyed this class. You have attended this class very attentively, and I think it will help you a lot. It will help you a lot to cover up your syllabus. So that's why I request you to be connected with us in Facebook link, Facebook Live. If you follow our class, if you just join the classes, you will be benefited. You will earn a lot. You will learn a lot. So that's why, my dear students, don't waste your time. Don't move here and there. Just enjoy our class. Just be connected with us. So that's why we have arranged our class. Today we will have a class on completing sentence. You know, completing sentence is very important topics, and some of the students feels difficulties, finds difficulties in completing sentence because you don't have any idea about the rules, about the grammatical rules, about the tenses, about sequence of tenses. That's why you can't go well. So I think if you follow the class, you will be benefited. So let's have a look at the class. So today we will discuss about conditional sentence. There are three types of condition. There is first conditional, second conditional, third conditional. So if you want to know in details, you have to follow the class. You have to be connected with us. So let's have a look. First conditional, E plus first conditional. That means the one part of the sentence will be present and the next part will be future. That means the principal clause will be present and the subordinate clause will be future. So if you want to complete the sentence, you have to have a clear idea about the roots of tense, because first one will be present and the second one will be future. So you have to mind it. So let's have an example. If you read more, if he plays in the rain, if you don't study, if he neglects his study. So these are the examples. So if you want to complete the sentence, you have to know the meanings of the word or sentences first. If you fail to give the meaning from the context, you will not you will not be able to write the correct sentence. Just if you write, it will be mistaken. It will be wrong. So that's why you have to have a clear idea about the tense. So the first one, if you read more, it's the present tense. So the second sentence will be in future. That is, first condition is if plus present plus future. So first one is present, the next one will be future. So if you read more, you have to add another subject, you. If you read more, you will learn more. Learn more. Second sentence, if he plays in the rain, the second sentence will be future, he will catch cold. You will catch cold. Number three, if you don't study, so the next sentence will be future, you will, as a subject is you have to bring another subject you. You will not make a good result. A good result. That means the first one is present, the second part will be future. So if you write, if you read more, you will learn more. This is the wrong sentence. Because this is the example of first condition. First condition, first one should be present, and the second one should be future. So number 4, if he neglect his study, as the subject is capable, you have to bring another subject. If he neglects his study, you will fail. You will fail in the exam. Fail in the exam. So number 5, he will miss the bus. You will miss the train. So, my dear students, you can see there is a one sentence that's in future tense. So, the first one should be present. So, if he walks slowly, if he walks slowly, he will miss the train. So, my dear students, I think by this time you have got the idea how we can convert change the sentence in first conditional. So let's move to the rule number 2, that is second conditional. Second condition. So, my students, you have to bear in mind, first, second condition should be in that way. The first one would be past, and second one might be past. That means the first one, past sentence would start in past tense, and naturally the second one would be past. That means you have to bring would or might. Would or might, and verb should be present form. So let's have an example. If you walk slowly. Number 2, if you invited me. Number 3, if she studying SUBID, studying attentively. Number 4, if I were a rich man, Number 5, if I had much money. These are the sentence. So, my dear students, you can see that the first sentence starts with if, and the tense is in the verb are in the past form. So, the sentence starts with if, and the verb is in the past form. So, next part would be past. That means you have to bring would or might, and verb should be present form. You know, after modal verb, can, could, may, might, shall, will, should, would. So, verb would be present form. So, let's complete the sentence. If you walk slowly, you would miss the train. My dear students, just have a look. You can see that you in subject, you have to be would, and verb is in the present form. So next sentence, if you invited me, you have to be I would or might join it. That is the past form. If she studied ability, you have to be another subject. She would or might. It's up to you. You can take would or might. It's up to you. She would. If she studied ability, she would help the board. So you see, I and Bob is that's the one about who, and Bob in the present form. So in the number 5, if I had much money, I would buy a car. So my students, I think by this time you have got the idea how we can change the sentences in first condition, second condition. So now we can move to the rules third condition. So third condition, if plus had plus action. That means the sentence would start with if and it would be followed by had, and the second one would be would have or might have. Would have or might have and but should be in the past participle. So that's an example. If I had studied hard. So number two, if you had invited me. Number three, if she had worked hard. So I think you can have a good idea that is if plus third condition. That is third conditions. It will be followed by subject and that should be an objective of had, past participle, and the next sentence would be in the past form, that is would have or might have, and but would be past participle. So if I had studied hard, I might have passed. I might have passed the exam. Pass the exam. Number two, if you had invited me, I would have joined. J-O-I-N, joined. Participle. Joined it. Number three, if she had worked hard, he would have perspired in life. There was P-I-D, perspired in life. So my dear students, I think you have got the idea how we can convert sentence. We can change sentence or complete sentence in the condition, that means first condition, second condition, third condition. So my dear students, I request you to practice the rules once again several times in your home. You have to make more sentence following the rules. If you follow the rules, it will not be a problem for you. But I think before concluding my class, I want to request you to be connected with us, to stay home, to remain in your home, so that you might keep fit. So, my dear students, don't go outside. If you go outside, just you have to wear mask. If you wear mask, you will be keep fit. So, with this, I want to draw my conclusion of my class. Thank you very much. Thank you a lot.